Beneath the deep gloss of exposed carbon fiber, the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport stands still. Flawless from the outside, yet inside its W16 quad-turbo heart, a subtle imbalance waits, tiny but critical, disrupting the harmony of 16 cylinders and 4 turbochargers. Carbon panels lift away, revealing the perfect symmetry of metal, titanium, and precision-machined components. Every housing, fastener, and turbine blade glows under soft workshop light, reflecting deliberate engineering. A minor bearing deviation, almost invisible, holds the potential to alter airflow and pressure throughout the engine. Intake pathways, cooling lines, and structural supports are meticulously inspected, ensuring nothing is left unchecked. The affected turbo assembly is carefully removed, its polished turbine blades catching the light, revealing microscopic wear and heat markings. Replacement components, machined to perfection, are introduced, balanced, and aligned to restore precision. Seals are seated flawlessly, fasteners torque in exact sequences. Every element returns to its rightful place. Slowly, the system begins to regain equilibrium, metal surfaces gleaming under the golden glow of workshop lights. Each cylinder, each turbo, each mechanical surface is verified, ensuring the W16 is prepared to operate in perfect harmony. Panels are carefully replaced, and the carbon fiber closes around the engine, concealing the intricate symphony within. The polished concrete floor reflects faint light from the engine bay, subtle yet precise, echoing the restored balance. Silence returns to the workshop, profound and deliberate, as though the machine itself exhales after correction. The quad-turbo system now aligned, pressures and flows restored. The W16 sits ready to unleash controlled power without hesitation. Carbon fiber gleams like liquid glass under natural daylight, streaming from large windows, highlighting sculpted elegance. Every microscopic imperfection corrected, every tolerance measured, every component synchronized with absolute discipline. 16 cylinders poised, 4 turbochargers ready. Thousands of components now operate as one mechanical symphony. This is not merely repair, but restoration of perfection. Engineering at its highest form, balance reclaimed. The heart of a $4 million hypercar beats once again in flawless rhythm, prepared to unleash extraordinary power. From the outside, the car remains pristine. The glossy black carbon fiber mirrors light like liquid obsidian. But inside, harmony has been restored, precision reclaimed, and the W16's heart now beats exactly as it was designed. Perfectly, relentlessly, and without compromise.